Hello everyone, my name is Ranjith Kannan. I am coming from Chennai to Indore. I working in Liugong India Private Limited. It's a heavy manufacturing engineering company. And I work in Chennai last 1 year as assembly line engineer. I work assembly line. I assembly line engineer. I get a machine from China and assemble the machine and send back to the customer. After I come to Indore, I like to learn Clio and AutoCAD with myself for going upper level. After that, I like to take Clio in. After I search in net lot of net AutoCAD. I search after I get point in Tech Cluster. After I come to Tech Cluster give lot of demo classes. Demo classes they give. How they give a demo class? I after come here I meet Terminator sir. Terminator sir take me a demo class. Terminator sir take me how to assemble diagram, how to assemble the machineries, how to assemble everything, and give me how to analyze this analyze. After that the product how coming the output product. Madam give me slot time 7:30 and guide me how to complete the software everything. And I have complete my AutoCAD and Clio softwares. I have very confidently I say I will know designing. I will know how to design the software everything. Very confidently say. I take the Tech Cluster good reference because they teaching very goodly, friendly, how to, with lot of clearness, how they and give lot of feedback, how to give every feedback they give. After I have very confidence to learn Clio and software because I have worked lot of field. I don't know I how to do it or not. After that I come here. They teach me very clearly. After I have learned lot of things AutoCAD and Clio. Now I have give confidence to everyone. I will tell everyone I have know the designing diagrams. So thank you for Tech Cluster for giving this kind of opportunity and give me very good how to learn very goodly. And thank you so much for Terminator sir for giving very good designing field learn to me.